So screenshot on iPhone 7 is really very easy. So first I go inside. Okay, and what to do is just keep turn off and this button. So for example, I'm going here and keeping this. So and you can see here the picture. Now you can choose what you want to do, if you want to delete or share or do something with this picture or make just done, and now ask if you want to save to the photo or to the files. So to the photo, and now I can check the pictures, and you can find in your album is here. So picture is here, so very easy, just this and this. Okay, thank you for the watching. Bye.